folding our hands together in a namaste. Before we say our 3 Oms, we are in a very special place with very compassionate ears in the air which are listening to our thoughts. So if there is something in your heart, some guidance you seek, something you feel lost or troubled by, just speak to the Mother. May she help us to actually install the Divine Presence within us, so that that presence becomes our counselor, our best friend, our 24/7 companion, our inner guide, so that then we start walking what the Mother calls the sunlit path.